Hi, it's Laura with WTI, and I can pretty much guarantee you're going to have an amazing day if you start with this coffee. This is the Lavazza whole bean coffee. You're going to get 2 bags, 2 pounds each. That's 4 pounds of goodness. And I just love starting off my morning by grinding these beautiful beans. As you can tell, they're not super dark because this is going to be a medium roast, which is perfect for my like. I grind it up and then I use my coffee maker to brew my beautiful coffee, and I get this beautiful, nice foam. This coffee can even be used for cafe crema, lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. And I just enjoy it every single morning. Every chance that I get to have coffee, this is my go-to coffee here. This coffee has been around for a long, long time, and it is from Italy, so you're going to get a high quality coffee. But that's just my point of view.